when I start doing Facebook Lives and things, and I have a virtual Facebook party planned for sometime soon, so you know, check your inbox for invitations. And if you didn't get an invite and you would like to be a part of it, just reach out to me. I'm happy to do that. Okay, so here's the deal. Paparazzi jewelry, like I said, like it said on the thing, $5 for each piece. So this came with earrings that matched it, and that was $5. These were the earrings. Are stunning though. These are my favorites, and they're $5. They apparently have a few other items that are like a couple of dollars, or there's a set of jewelry called Z Collection that's $25 that comes with a necklace and an earring, but they're like big, chunky, substantial pieces. Usually, they're fairly big, and so you don't mind paying the $25 for them. But I would say for the most part, 95% of what they have is $5, which is a steal. And so, if you're not here locally with me in Elk Grove, then I can ship it to you anywhere in the U.S. And yeah, and that's it. So I'm excited, and I'll see you guys on the next Facebook Live and or at my virtual event. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye guys.